When it comes to the Sena Symbol War, the question of who will get the bow in the arrow symbol and whether the Election Commission's decision that Eknath Shinde's faction should get it, whether or not the Supreme Court believes that is valid, that entire case is going to be heard. The top court is agreeing to hear the plea tomorrow at 3:30 p.m. My colleague Ananya Bhatnagar with more details. Ananya, over to you.
Well, an urgent mentioning was made by senior advocate Kapil Sibal before the bench headed by Chief Justice of India, Dr. Dhananjay Yashwant Chandrachud, wherein it was said by Kapil Sibal that if they'll take up the symbol, they'll go on and take the bank accounts. They've already taken our offices, and if at all any kind of a protective order is not passed, then definitely they will lose everything. He was appearing for the Uddhav faction and definitely putting up the side of the Uddhav Thackeray camp. He said all of this. Responding to that, the Chief Justice of India said that he will hear the matter tomorrow. But since it is a non-miscellaneous day, remember that Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursdays are the days for constitution benches and the judges sit in a combination of 5 judges. So the CJI said that either he'll hear it after the CB gets over or he'll hear in the morning. But then finality was received and it was said that the matter would be taken up at 3:30 tomorrow. So definitely tomorrow at 3:30 p.m. in the afternoon, the matter would be heard. On an interesting point, Mr. Neeraj Kishan Kaul, senior advocate who is appearing for the Shinde faction, clearly opposed this particular mentioning and hearing of this matter, saying that the previous orders in this regard were actually passed by the Delhi High Court and they should have knocked the doors of the High Court first and not the Supreme Court. So the court would be considering this aspect too tomorrow. So we'll have to wait and watch as to how things pan out and what would be the future of Uddhav Thackeray would be decided by the topmost court of the country.
Okay, Ananya, just lay out for our audiences. We know that the Supreme Court is also deciding whether the rebellion within the Shiv Sena that was led by Mr. Eknath Shinde amounted to defection under the 10th schedule of the Constitution. That is a separate case. Can you tell us the timelines of the two separate cases, please, and what impact one's decision could possibly have on the other?
Well, these are way two different cases if we talk about them, because remember that that is particularly a constitutional issue as to whether the Speaker was entitled